Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kashmiri Mirchi or chilli korma or Marchewangun korma. Kashmiri Mirchi korma is very different and unique from usual korma because its base is dried red chilli sauce. It's a perfect blend of succulent piece of meat wrapped in aromatic spices and cooked in red chilli sauce. The meat is simmered in fairy sauce of Kashmiri red chilies and spices, making it aromatic and hot. So let's get started. For making this hot appetizing curry, I have taken around 800 grams of meat, small size pieces, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garam masala, that's optional, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of black cumin seeds or shahi zira, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 6 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, and I have taken 8 to 10 dried red chilies. Kashmiri chilies are the ideal for this recipe, but if you don't find them, you can take any. I have soaked them in warm water for more than an hour. 3 tablespoons of oil, and I have blended or soaked dried chilies to a paste. And I am taking 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for color mixed in water. If you don't have dried chilies, you can take around 6 to 7 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder and mix like this in water to a smooth paste. Now in a pan, I have heated up oil and added cumin seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick. Saute them a bit and then I'll add meat and mix nicely. Let it fry on low flame. After a few minutes, I'll add salt to it. Mix it nicely, cover it and let it cook till the water it has released gets evaporated. And once the water has evaporated, I have added turmeric powder, fennel seed powder and ginger powder. Mix nicely and fry it a bit. And then add blended dried chili paste, and Kashmiri chili powder paste. Mix properly and let it cook for few minutes. Then I am adding 3 glasses of water for slow cooking method in a pot or a pan, or else you can add 1.5 glass of water and cook in cooker till 3 whistles or till meat is tender. Once it starts to boil, I'll cover it and let it cook on low flame for around 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, the meat was tender. I'll add garam masala and let it boil for a minute and then turn off the flame and dish it out. And gravy you can adjust accordingly. You can add more water if you want more gravy. So for me this was fine. The kitchen light was not doing justice to the color of this, so this is under natural light. Here the aromatic fairy red Kashmiri korma is ready. It will definitely tickle your taste buds with its hotness, so it's a must try dish. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. And please subscribe if you haven't yet and turn on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.